Hey there, I'm Ali. I've been on quite a journey, from starting my own companies to mentoring aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, I want to share something really important with you. It's the idea of your personal stock price. Essentially, it's how your skills and value are perceived in the marketplace. Now, you might be thinking, how does this apply to me? Well, let me tell you, every student can be an entrepreneur. Your business is you. By selling your skills, you can carve out your own path and create opportunities that align with your passions and strengths. Let's talk about traditional education for a moment. Universities often focus on teaching skills that, unfortunately, don't always translate to high-earning potential. For instance, learning to play the guitar might be fun, but it doesn't usually lead to a high-income career. On the other hand, skills like coding can open up a world of lucrative opportunities. The key here is to focus on selling your skills to businesses rather than consumers. Businesses typically have more money to spend, making it a smarter move for your financial future. The value of a skill is heavily influenced by who is buying it. For example, landing a record deal can be far more lucrative than just teaching guitar lessons. It's crucial to understand your target audience and tailor your approach to meet their needs and expectations. When it comes to selling your skills, you generally have two types of businesses to consider: consumers, which are regular people, and actual businesses. It's usually easier and more profitable to sell to businesses. They have larger budgets and are often looking for skilled individuals to solve specific problems. So, focus on honing your skills and targeting the right market to maximize your success. All right, let's dive into 5 high-income skills that can significantly boost your earning potential. These skills are in high demand, and mastering them can open up numerous opportunities for you. So, make sure to pay attention and think about which ones resonate with you the most. Next, let's talk about becoming a software consultant for businesses. This is a fantastic way to leverage your technical skills and help companies optimize their operations. For instance, one of my team members, Melina, has been consulting on Notion for various businesses. She learned the software by watching tutorials and practicing, and now she's helping companies streamline their workflows using Notion. So, if you're a student looking to make a mark, consider learning a software program thoroughly. There are plenty of tutorials available online. Once you get the hang of it, you can offer your services as a consultant. It's a great way to gain experience, build your network, and of course, earn a good income. Copywriting. It's such a crucial skill. You see, good copywriting can significantly boost your sales page conversion rates. It's all about crafting words that sell, right? If you want to dive deeper into this, I highly recommend checking out Jim Edwards' book, Copywriting Secrets. Also, Cardinal Mason's YouTube channel is packed with valuable insights. Trust me, these resources are gold mines. Now let's talk about ghostwriting for a moment. It's another high-income writing skill that you might want to consider. For more in-depth information, I'd suggest listening to my podcast interviews with Dickie Bush and Nicholas Cole. They really know their stuff, and you'll find their insights incredibly helpful. Moving on to design, businesses have a variety of design needs, be it websites, apps, or social media graphics. From my own experience, I can tell you that being a high-paid freelance designer while I was in medical school was quite the journey. If you're interested in learning design skills, you should definitely check out the YouTube channel Abby Kunik. It's a fantastic resource. Finally, let's discuss the role of a website builder. Being a web designer and developer is incredibly valuable because, well, almost every business needs a website these days. Take my friend Henry, for example. He learned Webflow design and now charges high fees for building websites. Oh, and don't forget about website hosting platforms like Hostinger. They're essential for getting your site up and running smoothly.